details about the videos and all the assets. As you can see here, we're going to have detailed steps and links to the assets, the YouTube videos, the CodeSandbox templates, and more. So this is going to be provided for you in the video description. And also the link to the videos is going to be accessible in the Notion at the bottom here. And when you click on the link, it's going to open a folder with the React Shorts videos. On this first video, we're going to use the Hello World template that I created here inside of this folder. First of all, if you don't have an account with CodeSandbox, the account is completely free. You can sign up using your GitHub account or your email. So as soon as you logged in and click on the link to go to the folder here, you can double click on the React Shorts Hello World template. So double click on that one. This is going to open the CodeSandbox IDE, which looks just like VS Code. So I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with this layout. Let's just take a quick look around the CodeSandbox IDE so we can familiarize ourselves with everything that is available here. As we can see on the right hand side, we have the built-in browser. You can also open up the console at the bottom and also look at the React DevTools at the bottom here. In the middle, we have the file. As soon as you open a file, it will open up the file here in the middle inside the text editor. In the left hand side, we have the file explorer and other tabs on the left hand side, which we're going to use later. For now, we're just going to take a look at the explorer. And when you click on the explorer, you can see your folders and files for this application or for this project. Right now, I have the app.js open. And as soon as you start editing the file here, let's say hello world, you can see on the right hand side, your app will refresh. To make sure you don't lose any code, you see that at the top here, it shows this little bubble. Make sure you click on the file and Control S so you can save your file and you don't lose any of your code. And also a step that we always need to have, which we're going to do at the beginning in the next video, we're going to start forking the templates so that way you can have your own copy. Because right now I'm saving this one as only mine. But for the next one, we're going to start forking the different projects so you can keep your own copy. At the bottom here, we see we have other files, our index.js. We're going to take a closer look at those files in the next video. We're going to click on style.css just so that we can see that style.css is where we're going to write our initial CSS. Right now, we have a class called app, and our app.js is importing the CSS file at the top, and we are using the CSS class for this div. So let's just make a couple of changes here just so we can see that this is connected and working. So whenever you edit this file, let's say background color, let's change it to just a black color. And we lost in the text inside the div because now everything is black. We can change the color of the text to white so we can have the text come back in. And one more little change, let's just add some padding to all around it so we can have a little bit more space around the text. All right, that looks better. So this is just to show you that you can also, as soon as you edit your files, your browser on the right hand side is going to get updated. And make sure you Control S on your files so you can save the files when you fork your projects. Right, on the next one we're going to start forking so we can save our own copy, and we are going to jump right into the first lesson of the course in the next video. So I'll see you there.